Hello. I'm back again. Welcome to my channel where quality designers is attainable. Okay, look what we got here. We are starting with this cute little bag. I love this. This one is 21.29. It's on sale. No, actually, oh no, this is 27.99 by Steve Madden. And this was 78 today. You get for 27.99. So this one, I love this one as well. This is on sale for 21.29. Okay, Steve Madden. And also this is for this is by Medding Girl. This was 48 today. You get for 19.99. More bags here, more metallic bags. Okay, this is 16.99. And this one, look what we got here with this palm here. Palm. This is 14.99. Look, interesting clutch bag with a chain. 14.99. And here we have this one by Anna Klein. Okay, and that is 19.99. Look, these are affordable clutch bags. Steve Madden. And this one is 27.99. If you don't, understand me, please, for those of you that don't, okay, please turn on your volume so you enjoy what I have for you in the store. Okay, don't let anything stop you. Right? It's all about the deals. Relax and enjoy this video. This is 26.99. And here we have this one. I love the structure. This was 99. And this is by Juicy Culture. This one is 19.99. Okay. And here we have this crossbody. I love the color. So cute. If you look at this. This was 79 today. You get for 17.99. Oh, look at these, very colorful, for 12.99. All right, they also have lots of wallets, double zip wallet. Okay, and this one is, how much is this? 5.99. It's a good one. No, 14. No, this is 5.99, and this one is 14.99. This was 78 by Tommy. Okay, interesting wrist bag. Okay, and here is another one for 8.99. Oh, see what I'm saying here? I love this with the letter H by this brand. This is well made. I love this. Okay, and this is by this brand, and this is just 8.99. What are we talking about? Okay. Look, interesting bags, interesting wallets, Anna Klein. And this one, how much is this? Price is not on that one. I think this is 7.99. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Cat slots. They have different types. Okay, here. If you are looking for good wallets, come to Burlington. They got you covered. Trust me. 6.99. Okay. Let's check what they have here. They have more black bags. Oh, I love this one. Look. This is cool. Okay. Who made this? If you can grab this is it. And this one is, let's see who made this. Okay, this one is $24.99. Yeah, I love to grab bags from Burlington and TJ Maxx. Yeah, they always they do get multiple options. Look at this by London Frog for 16.99. Look what I'm seeing here. Ah, look at that. The quality is everything. This is a very good Dunlop bag. Oh my God. Very good pillow bag. It feels so good. This feels so expensive for $34.99. And the hardware, I love everything about this bag. Trust me. The size, everything. Let me see. I may go for this. Oh, 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 oh. Oh my God. This looks so good. And this hit the right place on me. I love this. I'll come back for this. And look, with coins. Oh, this is so good for that price. I need to see what's the value of this. Let's see. This was 98. Oh my God, this is so good to be. I love it. I love that bag. Okay. Yeah, this is very big. This can serve as a diaper bag. You can use this for your laptop, iPads. All right. This one is 98. You can go to school with this one as well. 29.99, not bad. And also here we have this one by Nightwest. Interesting. Nightwest store price for this $29.99. Interesting backpack. This is my CK and this is $69.99. Interesting. Let me take you to another handbag section. Okay, let's see what they have there. Come with me. Look what we got here. After here, I'm going to take you to clothing section. Look, these are beautiful colors. See what we got here. This is 1999. The high is this one by Anna Klein. All right. Okay. Yeah, I'm loving this size by Jessica Cho. I love the color. I love the color. Blush. This was 118 and you get this for $24.99. Juicy culture up here for $24.99. This one is by AK Amakling for $27.99. And look what we got here. This girly bag. Ooh, this is so girly. I love the structure by this brand. Okay, and this one is okay. This is 1999. All right. If you're enjoying this video, please share. Share to your brothers, sisters, yeah, friends, enemies. Trust me, they will love you for this. This is culture. This one is $17.99, and here we have this pink one by Guess for $37.99. Okay, more bags here. Look what we got here. Isn't this hot? This is so cute for $19.99 by this brand. And more bags up here. See what this is what brought me here. I want to show you this one in a different color. Look at this. Isn't this this is so hot for $19.99. Yeah. To clothing section, let's see what they have here for us. Okay. I'm seeing a lot already. Here we have this method to the top, this print. All right. This is an interesting. So good. It feels good. The quality is good for $30.99. Another one, similar prints. And this is on sale for $12.99. Interesting turtleneck for $14.99. Here we have the stripes 3/4 sleeves blazer. This is not lined. I don't like the quality. It's so light for $14.99 by this brand. And here we have this. Oh, the quality is excellent. Okay, let's see. Let me show you this properly. Sorry. Let me show you this properly. So you see what I'm saying here? Okay. Look what we got here. Okay. This is so cool. I'm loving this. This will be perfect for holiday event. And this is nicely lined for $19.99. This is the brand. The quality is so good, trust me. Okay. And we have this sleeveless one. Interesting color. I love for $16.99. And look what we got here. For $14.99. And here we have this one for $16.99. This is by Rain. Yeah, that brand is new to me. Look what we got here. Isn't this interesting? This is giving everything it should give. The quality is loud. It speaks loud. No, it feels so expensive, so luxurious. This is $32.99 by this brand. Let's see. And $32.99, not bad. In size medium, more sleeveless. Okay, for $16.99. Look, this is by CK. All right, it's well made. Trust me. $29.99. And hair, I won't end this video here. If you made it to this point, thank you so much for watching. And until next time. Until next time. Bye for now. Okay. Oh my God, I love this so much. I love the fact that this is not shining. It's so good by this brand in size medium. Store price. Okay. $17.99. And the hardware is so good. It looks really, really good. All right. Bye for now. It's a final bye. Bye.